Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to record a phone call on Android phone. So if I go for here on my phone app, then if I go for a call here, if the receiver reaches the phone, then you can record it from here. Just go for in this three dot option, go for settings and turn on your call recording option from here. After that, if I go for again call a person from here, okay. Now you can see it's recording now. You can hold it from here.
এই কলটি এখন রেকর্ড করা
You can see and
কল
just
রেকর্ড করা হয়ে গেছে
tap it for stop the recording. So yeah, that's the process. This is how you can record a phone call on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.